New project. I got this deeper fish finder as a gift from my sister. So I am going to make a fixed mount for it for the kayak. So far, what I've done is I've got the heat gun. I've heated up a piece of PVC. I've smashed it and bent it at about 45-degree angle. Maybe a little bit more than that. It's almost 90. Anyways, I'm going to drill a hole through that, screw it onto here, and then I'm going to bend the PVC to hook up to my kayak. All right, so I got the fish finder all mounted up. Going on, use it. Just pull it down, let it fall in the water, and I'm ready to go. I hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully I was detailed enough. My first video in a long time. But now that I'm done with it, I can just unscrew it, take it inside, and charge it. Bam.